Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize Quick Launch into a Samsung Galaxy A51. Firstly, open Settings and in Search find Quick. And from the list choose first option, Side K. So press it, press here one more time, Side K. And now when we double press on the our power key, Quick Launch Camera option. So if you want to choose, if you want to change, for example, open some application, click to application, and now we must choose your application, for example Google Chrome maybe. And now when we double press on our power key, Google Chrome is open. So let's try. And now Google Chrome is open. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.